Okay, so here's our TinkerCad again. So everything on the left-hand side is going to stay the same. We are going to remove that chip, remove this chip, remove all these wires. And this is our starting point. I'm going to leave these power and ground wires in because we'll just layer new chips right on top of where they need to go. And then here we go. So we need the 08 and the 04 chips. I'll grab those. Quad and 04, which is the inverter. So let's put the inverter first. It's going to go right there. So the 14 lines up with the power and the 7 lines up with the ground. We'll put the 08 in right behind it. And then let's start wiring. So purple wires from A to 4-1. A to 4-1. That's purple. And then purple wire from 4-2 to 8-1. Purple wire 4-2 to 8-1. So we want to go from B to 4-3 with a green wire, and then 4-3 to 8-2. I think that's wrong. I think that is 4-4 to 8-2. Yeah, that should be a 4-4 to 8-2. I actually wrote that in wrong over there. Going to do that. That's our green wire. And then a blue wire that's going to go from 8-3 to 4-5. It's going to be a blue wire. And then an orange wire from 4-6 to the LED. Orange. And that should be it. We have 1, 2. So we got 2 purples, 2 greens, a blue, and an orange. And this should be everything on the bottom occupied here, which it is. Only the first 3 occupied over here, which they are. So that should be our final product for part B of the lab. Alright, well, let's move on to part C. I forgot to save the annotations on my there we go. I'm actually showing the video there because I forgot to save the annotations on my PowerPoint. So let's get rid of these wires. So this next one is going to have how many wires altogether? A lot of them. So it's going to become a real mess. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 wires altogether. So we need the 10 and the 0. There's the 10, which is the 3-input NAND, and the 0, which is the quad NAND. That is our universal gate right there. Give me enough 0 chips and I can build anything. Alright, so green wire from A to 02. Green wire from 02 to 05. Green wire from 5 to 4. That could just be a straight line across there. We'll just do that. Blue wire from B to 01. That's going to be blue. Blue wire from 01 to 10. Alright, so that is 8, 9, 10 there. Let's bend that out of the way so you can kind of see it. That's a blue wire. And then a blue wire from 10 to 9. Right there. So that's 3 greens, 3 blues. Yellow wire from C to 10, 13. So going all the way over here. This is 14, that's 13. That's going to be a yellow. Yellow wire from 08 to 10, 1. And draw a straight line across there like that. That's a yellow wire. And then motorcycles going out today. From 06 to 10, 2. The only reason I bend these is so you can see them a bit better. You don't have a lot of stuff crossing. So that's 6 down to 2. And then purple wire from 03 to 013. Whoops. Yellow. 03 to 013. So this one has to go, we're just jumping across like this. That's purple. And then from 1012 to 012. Purple. And then from 011 to the LED. I'm going to make that orange. So, did I get everything? 1 orange wire, 1, 2 purples, 1, 2, 3 yellows, 1, 2, 3 blues, 1, 2, 3 greens. And does it look like things are in the right spot? So the 00 chip should have everything occupied. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So there's at least 1 wire on every spot. The 10 chip should have the first 2, 1, 2, the 7, and then 12, 13, 14, 12, 13, 14. It would look visually like this is correct. Just from here, you would have to test it to make sure, but it looks like this is wired correct. So this is a complicated circuit. There's a lot of wires in here. That is 12 wires in a small space. But if you follow this method of planning it out, using some different colors, making a nice little wire list for yourself that you can easily check to see if you have accounted for everything, then it should make your wiring a whole lot easier. So try these, see if you can go through this method, and when you get to this one, give a save of this one here. Remember, if you can, put your name, student number, let's call it week 4, lab. Do that, give that a save, and we will check it off for you. And good luck. We will actually do the verifying the truth tables and stuff like that with these circuits next week. Okay, thanks. Bye.